NYC is currently, like, I think in the middle of a big blizzard. But one thing about Ronnie, we love the snow. And so I have a box I've been saving for if it snows. Gonna see if I can make it out to any hill in Central Park and try to sled. This might end terribly, but that's why I brought my camera. Whoa, guys. Holy moly. Don't look at my address. Holy guacamole. Poor homie. Okay. Now the real challenge. I should have brought my sunglasses. I do this every time the snow gets in my eyes. I'm not walking back up those stairs until I'm ready to go inside. Look at the amount of snow on those cars. This might be crazy. Holy. I might be a little wild for this one, guys, but look. Doesn't this just look like so much fun? This is my hot take. I think they're gonna cancel auditions tomorrow too. I hope they do, so that way the people that work at the studios don't have to travel in unsafe conditions. This is a choice. They definitely shoveled the curb, which it was a choice. Definitely like trying to balance on the curb of a sidewalk right now. But they tried. On snowy days, these are not the days that we test if we can make it. These are days for patience and fun. Ooh, look at this. Look how high it comes up on my knees. If I like put my foot down. That's crazy. Snowing. Okay, I've made it to Central Park, and there are actually quite a lot of people out right now, even though we are still in an active blizzard. I am quite excited right now, guys. No, because then after this I can go home and take like the best shower of my life. These people have boxes. I'm just gonna follow them and see where they're going. This is essentially my first real snowfall in New York, and I'm very excited. It's very Home Alone.
Not a bad deal, but maybe.
Skis. That's such a New York thing, I feel. This hill is just full of children.
That's not that good of a hill, right? I don't think that's that
Do I keep walking? Do I try it out? I always feel really strange being an adult alone. That might be. I'm just gonna try it. I'm never gonna see any of these people ever again. Why am I nervous? The verdict is in. I don't believe cardboard is the best. I found new people with boxes to follow. This is just so joyous, guys. Okay, I'm currently the only adult trying to sled. Why is nobody else fun? Am I not supposed to be doing this here? Maybe I'll just keep going up and seeing what happens. I got nervous, guys. But like, don't ask how the heck else am I gonna sled? Anyways, the hill is free. So, oh, no, now there's a child walking up. That's okay. I fear my time is almost nigh. Guys, I'm so scared. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go on this side and set my box down. Honestly, I don't even know if this is gonna work. That would be so humbling. I don't know if this is gonna. Oh my god, a dog. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Who do you belong to? Thank you so much.
Watch this. This little girl got moved. I'm about to Hey, heads up.
Hello.
Hey!
Oh. I've been blessed. Hello, Mama. What's going on?
All right, Joey, are you ready?
Oh, that was so calm. She's standing up. I don't know if the cardboard's gonna work, guys. This is humbling. I fear. So cardboard, actually, you'll be shocked to know, does not make the best sled. I don't think that hill was really steep enough for it. Look how deep the snow is. This is, oh, as far down as my boot will go. I'm having a lot of fun out in the snow though. I think I'm just gonna try to find another hill that I could try, maybe with less people so I get less stage fright. Just wanted to see what it feels like. Did you see it? You saw that one. Okay, this is how it's going so far. My gloves are soaked. Don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to keep doing this, but I'm gonna try my darndest. So let's take some here. feel like I'm in a flow state. We're getting there. We need it to be like this and then like this. Yeah? Yeah? I don't wanna stay with me while I do this. Kinda wanna like, I might regret this. I'm not even in view. God, I hope I'm in view of this. That was so nice. That's where I fell. I'm gonna get one on my phone for mom and dad. I got a bus, guys. Yay! I stopped at the little like deli was open and I got myself a little snack and the Baja Blast for my braverism. Now I'm going home. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm putting you in the snow right there. My gloves are soaked, so I think I have to go home soon. But yeah, let's put them back on for a minute. No, don't fall. No, don't do it. You ready? You're kidding me. Oh God. Hindsight, that might not have been the best idea.